Hi pilots, Eddie here from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Today's job is to attach wing tips protectors to the FMS Version 2 glider. As you know, many gliders don't have heavy landing gears to save their weights. Therefore, you need to take steps to protect the wings of your wonderful glider, and these wing tips protectors play that role. Now, let's attach them. As you can see, when your glider lands, the lower part of the wingtips touches the runway. At this time, the wingtips may be scratched or damaged. To prevent this, you must attach the protectors to the under part of the wing. Okay, I dispatched attaching the wingtip protector, both of the wings. Now I will prepare for the first flight of FMS Version 2. First, let's mount the battery specified in the manual and place the aircraft on the balancing jig fixture. According to the manual, the battery is 3 cells, 1300 milliamperes. So I purchased this battery from the Hobby King. That is the 1300 milliamperes, 3 cells. Now the airplane is on the balancing jig fixture, but as you can see, front is very light. If so, I will replace the battery with 3 cells, 2200 milliamperes, and try again. Now I put into the airplane the 3 cells, 1300 milliamperes, according to the manual. Okay, I will replace the 2200 milliampere. Now I replace the battery from the 3 cells, 1300 milliampere to the 2200 milliampere, but the nose is still light. And I will place the server. It's still light. At this case, I have to move the battery bay to the front. Okay, I try again after the moving the battery bay. Now I move the battery bay from the original location to the front, and the battery is 3 cells, 1300 milliamperes, according to the manual, but the nose is still up. So I think the manual is quite wrong information for the pilots, and I will replace the battery to 2200 milliamperes. For the accurate balancing, you must use the 3 cells, 2200 milliamperes for Version 2. And this is the server for the release the towing cable, the gliders, and I will install this server about here, connecting this server to the puller airplane that it will be the FMS Beaver. Wingspan is 2000 cells. That will be the towing airplane, and I will install this towing cable release servers around here. Temporarily attach this server around here, because there is hole for the intake, the air here, you can see that. And I will connect the towing cable to here, and the towing airplane pull this glider. Temporarily stick this server, the location around maybe here, and check. Right, it's not bad. The airplane is little nose down, but it is How to control this airplane in the air. Anyway, now I will install the towing cable release server at the location in the fuselage and proceed with the maiden flight. Before its maiden flight, I will explain some special settings I have made for the glider. The first, a throttle stopper was set to prevent damage to the folding propeller. The second, the air brake was set by linking the spoiler with the flap. And third, the towing cable servo operation was linked to the throttle cut, and the propeller was set to operate 3 seconds after the towing cable was released. After this time, Fox Version 2 maiden flight and test flight will all be hand launched and setup will be completed. So anyway, I will locate this server in the fuselage and I will connect the receiver, this cable, control the release button. So the cable will be connected to the towing airplane, the beaver, and there is also installed the cable release retractor system. Release the towing cable from here first, and then release the towing cable from the beaver. And this is the accurate position for the airplane. Now I mounted the cable release server near the intake in the upper front of the fuselage. The intake is lower part. After the temporary placement of the cable release server and with the 2200 milliampere batteries, 3 cells, I checked the CZ. As you can see, the CZ is precisely aligned. Then you can fix the cable release server at this location in the fuselage and proceed with the maiden flight. I got the preparation of the maiden flight of the FMS Fox version 2 and the location is confirmed in the fuselage. And thanks for watching. Have a nice flight. See you next video. Thank you.